The Toronto Raptors blew a 16-point lead in the fourth quarter at home. And I can see the comments now. Look at that sky hook from Valanciunas. I see those Golden State Warriors comments right now. Valanciunas is putting on a show, getting rebounds, beasting and feasting in the paint. Carroll knocking down the three. Everything looks good here in the first half, even in the second half. The Raptors are looking good. Good ball movement. Bad defense from the Pistons. Players are just standing around. They're not really hustling. They're not helping. That's a tough shot, though. DeMar DeRozan gets that to fall. To end the third quarter, DeRozan spin move, fading away over Caldwell-Pope. We take it to the fourth quarter. The Pistons have that fire in their eyes. They don't want to lose this game. What a crossover move. Got Carroll going the wrong way. Now off the screen, it's going to be Johnson in the lane. Floater over. It's tipped up and in by Drummond. The Raptors are officially choking. Tobias Harris now popping the mid-range. It's only a 3-point game. It was a 16-point lead earlier in the quarter. On the break, Pope misses. He gets rejected. And Lowry comes back the other way in the paint with an easy layup. Raptors feeling good right now, but the game is not over till it's over. In the lane, they leave. Caldwell-Pope wide open, splash to take the lead. 8.5 seconds. They're going to DeRozan. He catches it so deep. Crossover move, it doesn't work. Fake spin doesn't work. Good defense from Morris. The shot is off. Rebound Drummond, and the Pistons come back down 16. Derrick Rose, a lazy pass. Stolen by Patty Mills. And then it's taken right back by Courtney Lee, and Carmelo does it again. Another splash from the same spot. Spike Lee is loving it. Down by 4, Kawhi gets Melo to slip, hits the fadeaway. He got him